Hi, Dr. Nick here. As promised from my previous video, I was going to show you a few more products that will help with healing injuries, something that's great for skin burns and other skin problems, and a condition that a lot of men are affected with, but the Chinese have come up with a nice solution. Men who suffer from premature ejaculation. We're going to talk about that. But first up, what you're looking at here is a package of the Hua Tuo medicated plaster. Hua Tuo was a very, very famous traditional Chinese medical doctor a long time ago, and he developed this type of healing process. And in a nutshell, what it is, I'll show you what it looks like inside. It's a medicated piece of cloth that's impregnated with a variety of different herbs. And what those herbs do is they heal. Just like with Dit Da Jiao or iron palm would heal if you apply it. This does the same thing, but the major difference is that this is a plaster that sticks on the skin. It's about a 3 by 4 inch piece of cloth. Like I said, it's impregnated with the herbs, and you apply it to the injured area. So, for example, if using my hand as an example, let's say the center of my pain is right here, I would take the plaster and apply it right on top, centered into the plaster on the area of pain, the center of the pain, and then you would rub it on, and it literally would stick. And then you get all the edges nice and tight on the skin, rub it on real good, and now it's on there. And it'll stay on there for 2 to 3 days, and you can shower with it. The water doesn't affect it since it's waterproof. What will happen after a few days, the natural release of your skin oils will loosen it up, and you can take it off. So this is great to work in between using your Dit Da Jiao or iron palm liniment on an injury, or your Zhenggu Shui, which is a liniment we talked about in a previous video. You can work them in, the liniment and the plaster, and this stuff that really does the job. So if you have a back injury, shoulder, wherever the injury is, that you can apply this, you will apply it. You got to be careful in the area that has hair, because it'll pull the hair. So you would have to shave the area, or just be tough when you take it off, because it's going to pull the hair out. But highly recommended. Another item that you should have in your medicine cabinet is this baby right here. This is called the Qing Wan Heng, and it's an ointment that helps heal any type of skin problem, like from burns, a skin ulcer, any type of really like a skin irritation. Not so much rashes, but something from either from a cut to, like I said, a burn. I remember years ago I burned myself with an iron, and I applied this immediately and did not leave a scar whatsoever. So this is something that keep around, because it does help heal any kind of skin problem that you have. This guy here, we call this guy El Chinito, and this is for men who suffer from premature ejaculation. Now, due to the adult content, I'm going to have you go to my website, and I'll explain how it's used, how to apply it, and what it does. But so go on eastmeetswest.com / El Chinito. You'll find that, and we'll go over how this works. And for a lot of men out there who suffer from premature ejaculation, this you got to have. And we'll go over it because of its adult theme. It's best that we do it pretty much like privately on my website and not here on YouTube. So thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel, because I'll be coming up with some other great items that you should have. Traditional Chinese medicine is great, because there's so many things out there that help heal you without having to visit a doctor. I mean, a lot of people have to go to a doctor. Nothing wrong with that. But a lot of these things you could do yourself, and it's done naturally. We're talking about 5,000 years of proven results. This is just not something that just came a couple hundred years ago. Modern medicine, as we know, it's not even that old. So this goes back close to 5,000 years. So there's a lot of great things, and I've been doing this a long time, and I'd be more than happy to show you what works and what it's for. So please subscribe to our channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.